Here's the scenario. You came across a watch that you really love, but you feel that the dial plate from another watch fits your style more. What are your options? You can buy both watches, but you wouldn't be able to enjoy both worlds unless you wear one watch on each wrist, or even to an extreme like this. And from time to time, there are campaigns that backers are asking creators to offer more combinations. However, due to lack of flexibility from manufacturing, this issue could not be addressed. That is, until now. Introducing our award-winning Infinitio watch series, a revolutionary modular watch with interchangeable components. It allows you to create your unique style. Our twist and switch caseback enables the user to change components in a matter of seconds. Also, all our straps are interchangeable as well. That gives you even more combinations of your watch. We are proud to reveal 3 signature series of our Infinitio modular watch. The Orpheus, our classic series, and it's for those who love dress watches. It features a polished outer case and a dial that houses a Miyota 9100 automatic movement. This dial features month, day, and date indicators, along with a Ferris wheel 24-hour display. The Helios fits into our sports series with a true-to-scale wheel system of a sports car. Its rim and rubber bezel is not only for the aesthetic look, but it also acts as a protection to the sapphire crystal. The casing will keep your dial and housing safe and secure. It also runs on Miyota 9100 movement. The dial design resembles the detailed lightness of a brake caliper and gives a mechanical and sophisticated look. And finally, for complex watch enthusiasts, we have the Argus series. The housing features a skeletonized automatic movement and tachometer dial plate, along with a striking bezel and its distinctive outer structure. The Infinitio is not just any other kind of mechanical watch, but a versatile timepiece with numerous combinations. And one watch will offer you endless possibilities, giving you the option to create a watch that suits your style and occasion. We are here to bring you innovative automatic watches made with top-of-the-line materials at an accessible price. All watches are made with 316L surgical-grade stainless steel and genuine sapphire crystal, the hardest, most scratch-resistant glass to protect the dial from damage. Back this project and join us on a revolution of time.